Okay, we are going to install OpenCV now. Okay, we are going to install the latest version, but this is Ubuntu Linux Mint 18.2 based on Ubuntu codebase 16.04. So we are not going to test it on anything. We are going to test it for yolov2 and other sorts of darkflow, tensorflow, and everything. We are going to install it from the source. So OpenCV is installed from the store. It's not Python OpenCV pip installation. So let's go with that. Okay, go here, come here, and OpenCV 3.4.0 install instructions. Okay, instructions. So this will take a long time. Okay, installation of Linux OpenCV. Okay, this is not an old version, 3.4.0. okay, image source. So now let's go with that. Install OpenCV 3. Install OpenCV 3. Okay, not this one. So let's get the tutorial now. And this pops up. It's not over here. So OpenCV 4.0. Okay, pytutorials. It is supposed to be on pytutorials.com. It will be the tutorials. Okay, it's supposed to be there. Okay, so over here we install 3.4.0 and 18.002. okay, you can also install all those things. And get down, Codebind tutorial, not Codebind tutorial, not GitHub tutorial. Okay, it's not over here. And pytutorials OpenCV. Okay, it's not over here. pytutorials, pytutorials.com. okay, it's not found over here. Okay, it's over here and we have got it. So make use of this site. I'll give you this site. Okay, this is a wonderful site. Copy this, put it in a text file so that it will be useful to you. OpenCV, take it to the text editor. So this is, we are installing OpenCV with the C++, Java, and this is common to everything, and Python too. So we are going to install it for everything. So let's start to install. So you can use a normal installation pip install OpenCV Python, but we are not going to do with that. So let's get an update and upgrade. Okay, we are not going to upgrade it, I think so. We are going to just update it. Give your password. Upgradation, if some mistake comes, you have to upgrade it. Okay, so let's install the build essentials one. Okay, okay, and you have to install this. Just do what I am doing. And this is needed for processing the images, ffmpeg. So this tutorial is mainly based on, we are going to install OpenCV without any error. So this is why we are concentrating on this. Okay, it's just unpacking it. So it will get unpacked. Then we have to go inside it. Okay, this is also applicable for Ubuntu 16.042. okay, there will be no problem in doing that. Let me just pause the video and get back to you later. Okay friends, the first thing has been done, so we have to install this. Okay, so this has to be installed. I'll give you the site, you just copy paste and just run it. Okay, this is not a very big deal. Okay, these all are involved and are most important. I think you don't want to just install this 3.5 and 2.7 of Python because we already have it. Okay, you can just install it up to this. Okay, then just paste this. Okay, then let's go with the libgdk. Paste this too. Okay, install it. And the next one would be Pylint, which is for the optimization. Okay, this is C++ based yolov2 OpenCV, and also it can be used for Python, and also it can be used for many other things. This is only suitable for 16.40 of Ubuntu and Linux with 18.2 Sonya. Okay. You'll have no trouble in installing these things, because if you have a wrong OS or a wrong configuration of CUDA-command-line CUDA-command-line 7 or on any other installation, it may lead you to trouble. Okay. So let me pause this video and let this finished. It has been finished. So the next one would be we have to install this Pylint, and we are not going to install this. We already have 2.7 and 3.5, so there is no need of upgrading it. Okay, so this be installed. So the next one will be 3.40 and OpenCV 3.40 to be installed. So I think we already have it. So let me check it for you. Okay, we already have it. 3.40 on the contract 3.40. Copy it. Go to the home folder, paste it over here. If you want to download it, just use this wget download OpenCV contrib and OpenCV this thing, and it will get downloaded. And whatever you do is you have to just unzip it. Okay, so I have downloaded this thing. You have to wget download it, and you also have to wget download it. So I have downloaded these things. So let's see that this processing triggers is over. Then what you do is you have to just go here, paste this first. You have to go here and I think unzip is over here. So let's unzip OpenCV 3.40. Okay, first unzip it. It is in the home folder which I have downloaded. So it has been unzipped. The next one will be contrib, which is an associated dependency for the OpenCV, and important associate of the dependency of the OpenCV. And next what I will do is, after installing this both, you have to get into the folder of OpenCV 3.40 and paste it. Okay, and make it directory build. This would be the very suitable versions for this, so please go with this, and cd build. Okay, hit enter, and you have to CMAKE it. If there is if this step is finished correctly, then you'll have no error. Okay, you can go with it. It is running. Okay, let it finish. Let me take a drink. Okay friends, the CMAKE compilations have been finished. So now we have to make it with 4 core make it. So there were no error in that. So that's why I'm saying that, insisting that go with the prompt version of the OS and everything, and installation will be guide. So this will take a very long time, so I'll just pause the video and get back to you later. If there is no error with these things, there will be no problem. Okay friends, and the OpenCV compilation has been successfully done. CMAKE and the sudo make j4. So we are to, now what you have to do is sudo make it. So we have to just sudo make it. The other thing would be that give your password. Okay, it's running. Okay, configuration is set to be done. Set to be done. It will be fast, you don't have to worry. Then what you have to do is you have to sudo ld config. It will make sure that every CV2 SO file and this thing would go, the SO file will go to this 3.5. So we don't have 3.6 in this version, so we have to list the packages and see the version now. Okay. So let me get there. So we have already made this tutorial, as you can see. Okay. It's set to done. Okay, I think there are no error. What I will do is sudo ld config. This will make sure that Python version is installed. Make sure, just paste it. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to go to the user local lib. Okay, user local lib, go to the file system, go to the user local lib Python 2.7 dist packages, or no site packages, I think so. It's not over here, not over here. So let's see any hidden thing. No, it's not over here. Okay, control H, it's not over here. Okay, it is supposed to be in the lib Python 2.7 distributed packages. This has to be existing there, or else you have to download and install it. So let's see whether the Python version has been done successfully. Okay, python, and let's check whether CV2 is now updated. Okay, it is not updated, so the SO file is missing, so there has to be some wrong with that. So sudo make, we made everything correct, but even though we could not find it, so I don't know what's wrong with that. So what you do is you make sudo ld config again. So if not, okay, you must not make it here. You have to go to the user local and you have to make it there. Okay, install in the location. Okay, you have to go to the user local and you have to make it there. So go to the file system, user local, open the terminal here, paste it, sudo ld config, give your password. So let's check now. Lib so it's not, still it's not there. I don't know what to do. So SO file is missing. Okay, or else let's try to do it here, or else let's try to do it here. Okay, let's sudo ld config it over here. Okay, paste it, give your password. Still not working. So let's download this cv2.so. It's no problem with that. So you have to download this, copy this, go to the thing cv2.so, download. Okay, cv2.so, and go to the file missing after OpenCV installation. What could go the wrong? Okay, so after installing it was not found, so what shall we do? Okay, I understand cv2.so, so the Python does not where the OpenCV is. Okay, so you can get this cv2.so, I think so, from sourceforge.net. Open cv2.open to make a release, CMAKE it. Okay, that was not useful. How to install OpenCV, GC++, OpenCV, make directory, CMAKE. Not useful at all. Okay, Python 2.7, export Python path. So the Python path has to be exported and it has to be done. Okay, let's export the Python path. Okay, gedit. Without doing that, you are going to get these errors. Okay, let's go here, paste this over here, and make sure you have user local lib Python 2.2 site packages, and everything is done. And this same would apply for Python 3.52. Okay, 3.5 also. So then what you do is you have to save it. So close it. So let's see, this works now. So distributed packages were not found. Distributed packages, no, it is not found. No use. Site packages not found. So there has to be some error. Lots of SO files have been found, but OpenCV SO files have been not found. So import CV2. So let's get Python OpenCV or find the name CV2. Okay, let's find the name CV2 SO. Permission is said to be denied. I don't know why. It has to be sudo, 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 and it's not fine. It's not there. Okay. Okay. Find it. So it is better that we can download it from the GitHub. There are no choice. So it is about save linkers. I don't know what kind of thing it is, but I'm just going to give it a try. Okay, you're not supposed to do this. This is illegal. Open containing folder and go to the terminal. Go to the root menu, and what I will do is give you a password. So you have to give the permission. Authentication failure. Okay, so why authentication failure? You know? So we are not set the password. Sudo EASWD. Okay. You have to set the password. And let's try this. So give your password. And now what you do is cp. Okay, get this file name, files directory, and go to this terminal. Python cd2.so should be copied to the distributed packages folder of the Python 2.7. So go into the here and user local. So user local lib Python 2.7 distributed packages, and you have to get the properties and copy. Go to the root. You have to copy this file to there. You have to do it all in the root, or else it will not work. Okay, it has to be dist packages packages. Okay, hit enter. So it has been copied now. So let's check this Python, python Python, and importcv2. It's okay. Wrong elf class 32 error. So you have got some other cv2.so, so you are not installed it. So let me check it. So friends, the mistake we have done is that sudo make install should be done in the user local one. Copy this. So go to the user file system, user local, and it has to be done here. Sudo make install should be done here. Okay. Okay, no, nothing to make. That's right. Because we don't know. Install in the location. Took it about 20 minutes on my PC. It really took it about an hour on my PC. I don't know what. Install in the location using command. Okay. Install static libraries. Okay, I'm sorry for wasting your time. That this has to be done with CMAKE. With Python should be on. Okay, then only I will modify this SO. So what we will do is Python example is on, and the Python module should be on over here. So let's try to bake it. Okay, and before baking it, you have to also note that CMAKE of this release should be also correct. Okay, go to the text folder. So this has to be initialized for everything. Type release. Okay, that is correct. So let's compile it again. Okay, go here, close this. Here, close this. So in order for Python also to be successfully done, you have to just do it for everything. Go to this and close this, then file save and go to the home folder. Okay, find OpenCV, go to the build folder, open it, paste it where you have just downloaded. This has to be done. This must be done without any error. So we are going to compile it again. Okay, because we have not switched on the Python versions of this. Okay, we have made a mistake. That OpenCV contrib module 3.30 is wrong. Okay, this is supposed to be 3.40. So it is supposed to be OpenCV 3.40, 3.4. Okay, contrib OpenCV contrib 3.40. Okay, 3.4.0. It is okay. 3.4.0, 2.7. Python library should be included, and also it has to also include Python 3.7. Okay, so in order to do that, what you have to do is you have to get this, copy and get down, paste this, and 3.5, and you have to copy this too and get down and paste this and make this 3.5. Oh, that's not supposed to be 3.5. User lib python nextgenu.so 2.7.so. Okay, so you have to just count on it. So let's first do it for 2.7, then we'll go for 3.5. I think you no need for 3.5. Okay, and so this will make the installation for C, Java and Python. So let's see what happens and hit enter. So it may take some time. Okay, let it takes its own time. Then we are going to install the OpenCV in 2.7, but we are not going to install in 3.5. I don't know why, and you have to do it. So this has to work for us because we have not just made the installation available for 3.5. It's only for 2.7. So we will try it again and some other thing. Okay, let this run. This may take a very long time. Okay, so let me pause the video for you. So the installation of the Python has been done. So now what you do is you have to make sudo make install. Okay, install in the location using the command. So it has to be done there, I think so. It's not supposed to be done. Okay, give your password. Okay, then after that what to do is sudo ld config. So I hope this would work really good. So we have to go to this Python 2 and see whether it has Python. So let's see pytorh cv2. Okay, still you can't find it. What's the problem? Okay, let's check whether YOLO is working with this. Python, we can install other Python for this. So let's see our YOLO is working. So go to the darknet. So you have the weights downloaded. So go to the make file. So this can be done on file, save, close it. Okay, close without saving. No, cannot. Control S. Okay, make it. Okay, there were no errors doing it to OpenCV. Okay, till now it's going good. So we have installed it for C++. We are not installed it for Python. You can install any pip install Python, you can do it. It's not necessary you want to do it with this. Okay, so let's check the code. So this is yolov2, I think so. Okay, not yolov2. Okay, let's go to the music folder. So this is yolov2. So let's go to the make folder, and yolov2, you have this command inbuilt. And now what you do is make it. So you'll have no trouble. So yolov2 v2 download. Go to the site of yolov2. Go to download the weights. Okay, save it to a location, and as you will scroll down, you will see that you can do a webcam detection out of this. So this is the webcam detection thing. So we are going to do with this. Okay, let this get downloaded. This may take some time. Okay, 2 minutes. So we are going to pass the. So in the meanwhile, we have just installed Python OpenCV 4.10.2024. So I have not installed the 3.40 for Python for OpenCV for Python. So after that, what you have to do is wait a minute. We are going to install it for pip3. Okay, sudo pip3 install OpenCV Python 3. Okay. Okay, pip3 install Python. So it will be downloaded for Python 3.2, Python 3.5. So let's check the CUDA code. So let me close my camera. Okay, so let's get into this. Get the OpenCV weights. Got this. So we have the yolov2 over here. Paste this over here, and after that what I'll do is open the terminal, and the command for video detection would be this. Copy this. So we have finished the compilation with OpenCV, and hit enter. It's running. So if OpenCV SRC CUDA 0 assertion failed, not come. Okay, we have not connected it to device is busy. Okay, so let me close this. Okay friends, and you have seen that it is working very good. So I will show you. So it is detecting all those books and yolov2. Okay, detecting all those books given, and this is the proper installation procedure. Okay, it is detecting all those bottles, as you can see from here. Okay, and those books over there, bottle reduction books over there. Okay, it's been detected. So that's it. So OpenCV yolov3 for yolov2 is detected correctly. It also is ready to detect my monitor, TV monitor, okay, and my keyboard, mouse has been detected, and the keyboard has been detected. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, and you can see that we have installed Python for this, and Python is supposed to be, you have to install the sudo pip3 OpenCV Python for Python 3 and sudo pip3 pip OpenCV for Python 2, and as you can see that it is applicable for CV2 version is 4.10, and the import CV2 for 3.52 is 4.10. We are not installed for the 3.40. There is no problem that having two OpenCVs for Python and C++. There will be no problem. We are not compiled it for that. Okay, thank you. So this is the tutorial.